This is Paul. Yeah. I'm just reading this law dictionary. Yeah. And they have what is called the signature, one's name written in one's own handwriting. A signature at the end of a legal document attests to its authenticity and validity. And then there's signed and sealed, an expression denoting that a document has been duly executed. Yeah. Now, as you had seen on that protection order, without the signature of the petitioner, it was not authenticated. What's the word for it again? Authentic and valid. The court instruction rules say that you have to sign the form, pooch. Now, when you sealed it, it means that it had been executed. The county clerk's signature and the state seal means that it was executed, as in it was a public record and was put online, pooch. Now, without the actual signatures of the county clerk executing the document, and without the authenticity and the validity of the actual signature of the petitioner, it's an illegal court document that is being enforced in every jurisdiction of the world that has to enforce the International Hague of Process. Yes! Now, the dissolution of marriage would have to be enforced in the event that I was to leave the United States and move to another nation. Child support services might have sent it to any nation that I'm known to be in, and they would have to serve me with back child support. When I had informed the law that my right to due process was violated in 2011, that clever scheme to file a dissolution of marriage and then have me arrested 3 days later. Now, I'm going to make sure the signatures on every application for employment in every government of the world. Let's say you had a fish look-alike. There was Heidi Lee Budnick, known as Griggs, that was born of June Irving on X number of day, June 16th of 1970. Pooch. And then there was Georgia, her twin half-sister, that was actually a fish. Now, they both didn't come out of the same vagina. Now, Georgia's got to have a different signature than Heidi Lee Budnick. I want to know every signature of every government employee in every nation of the world that has signed on to the International Hague of Child Support and International Service of Process. I want to know the signature of every inmate, pooch. I want every patient of every hospital, and every person that has been committed to every mental asylum in every nation of the world. Now, let's say I find out that you've been cloning different government officials. You thought their fish twin would do the same job as the actual person born from the actual vagina at the time of birth. Yep. And the signatures are not the same. I have said that I thought 95% of the signatures Heidi Lee Budner was not Heidi Lee Budnick. Now, I happen to have married one woman, Heidi Lee Budnick. We were married in Kosovo. Yeah. We together had 5 sons. To have any knowledge of any cloning technology or anything else that could be used to make a look-alike of somebody, pooch, from a fish twin born 47 years ago to a new clone violates international laws and of conventions and treaties that have made cloning outlawed. Now I'm gonna need to know every signature in every fucking nation, you dick. I'm not only going to sue every nation of the world for not enforcing the International Hague Convention, I'm going to sue them for having any clones of any citizen that happen to be an employee of any government or any person incarcerated in a hospital or an insane asylum. Now give me those signatures, because I'm really starting to get upset about this time of night.